Om Namah Shivaya. Friends, we were discussing about the newest yet the most effective format of astrology, which is DNA astrology, which talks about certain karmas running in our DNA generations, in our DNA relatives, in the previous generations and the present generations. Today we are going to talk about Rahu karma. Rahu, according to DNA astrology, is an excellent driver. Okay, so the professions which involve transportation, any kind of driving a vehicle, a taxi, mobility vehicle, a logistics vehicle, any kind of driving, transportation, logistics comes under Rahu karma. Any kind of chemical business, any manufacture or trade of chemicals and liquor, petroleum, okay, it comes under Rahu karma. Petroleum especially comes under both Rahu and Saturn karma. Now, three nakshatras which are Pushya, Satvishak and Vishakha. Pushya, Vishakha and Satvishak. These three nakshatras are said to carry the karma registry of Rahu, which means that if your ascendant lord, the ascendant point, there's the Lagna point, the Lagna lord, and the Rasi nakshatra, moon nakshatra, if it goes in any of these three nakshatras, like Pushyas, Vishakha and Satvishak, the person is said to carry Rahu karma registry. And among the 12 houses of this Vedic Janam Kundli, the 9th house is said to possess the Rahu karma registry. If you have the Lagna Lord with the 9th Lord, you are said to carry a Rahu karma registry. And among the planets, the planet Jupiter is said to carry Rahu karma registry because planet Jupiter was born under the star Pushya, which already, as said earlier, carries Rahu karma. Now, if you see that such people carrying Rahu karma registry, either they themselves or the DNA relatives of the concerned person, like siblings, uncles, aunts, cousins, father, grandfather, they would be into any of the transportation or logistics business or any chemical business or even textile business is also taken under Rahu. And especially the nakshatra Satvishak, besides carrying these professions of chemical, transportation, logistics, textiles, it also has to do with the government jobs. If you have the Lagna point, Lagna Lord, or the moon in any in the Satvishak nakshatra, one DNA relative of yours would be in any kind of a government job. Okay, so it is also seen that Rahu karma registry people have a lot of greed, like they want to achieve their goals very fast. So it's very evident and it's very natural they have inclination towards things like gambling, okay, and especially export import business, okay. So people with Rahu karma registry are advised to not to take any shortcuts, rather take baby steps towards success. You should not expect overnight success. Okay, among the mythological characters, Lord Krishna carries Rahu karma registry. He's a Taurus ascendant and Taurus Rashi, and the Lagna Lord Venus, it has gone in Pushya nakshatra. And we see that Lord Krishna, the major part of his life is spent in driving a chariot. As we have mentioned that Rahu is the karak of driving in DNA astrology. Major part of his life he has spent in riding a chariot from one kingdom to another, as a parihar of compensating the Rahu karma. Also, in a single horoscope, if there's Rahu karma and Surya karma It is also associated with more than a single marriage. Such a karma is associated with more than a single marriage. And even in Lord Krishna's horoscope, we see that there's a demon, Narakasura, who has captured more than 16,000 of ladies, and Lord Krishna fights a battle with the Narakasura and frees these 16,000 gopis. And as a form of social recognition, Lord Krishna marries these ladies, and we say that he has 16,000 gopis, or the ranis, okay, or the queens. So as said, that Pushya Nakshatra having Rahu karma, and in a single horoscope, if you have Rahu karma, Venus karma, Surya karma, it is associated with more than a single marriage. Okay, so that was it regarding Rahu karma. ये रजिस्ट्री यदि आप अपनी जन्म पत्रिका दिखाना चाहते हैं, अच्छे क्वालिटी के जेम स्टोन्स चाहते हैं, या पूजा पाठ आदि कोई शुभ मांगलिक कार्य करवाना चाहते हैं, तो संपर्क करें हमारे महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर में। मेरा नंबर है 9503596761। देखते रहिए मेरे वीडियोस महर्षि एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल सेंटर पे। थैंक्स अ लॉट।